I asked the wife and I said, "What does it mean to respect a husband?" What's the answer? I'm curious. I told her that whether the answer is right or wrong. It doesn't matter. I just want to know your view of what it means to respect a husband. In position for that response, the answer I got was, you must just respect him. You know what respect is? And I said, no, I don't. That's why I'm asking. What exactly is respect? And she said, respecting him is bringing food on a tray. Respecting him is actually listening to him. Respecting him is speaking with calm words. Respect. So she mentioned all these particular terminology. Then I asked the husband, I said to the husband, what does it mean for a woman to respect you? What he gave as a definition did not match the wife. It's contrary. Then I said to her, whatever you're applying to this man, it is not respecting him. That is why he keeps on saying you are not respecting him. Then I said to her, you also said you don't feel loved.